The biggest mistake that new investors make has nothing to do with picking the right stock. It has everything to do with their mindset. In the next few minutes, I'm going to give you all the tools that you need to change your investing game. Before we get into this, if you like this content, I really hope that you subscribe to the channel and follow me in this journey. You can also follow my portfolio on Blossom. There is a link in the description for my Blossom account. Also, you're always welcome to buy me a coffee or beer as well, and that link is in the description also. As we go through this, I need to give you a warning because I have a script over here, and I'm constantly looking at this script to make sure that I say everything that I want to say or need to say. I think there are some important things in here, and I want to make sure that I'm hitting every single one of them. So let's get into this. It is always good to talk about basic investing rules or advice or whatever you want to call it. Simple things that will help you get your mind right when you begin your investing journey. Even if you're heavy into your investing journey, it's probably a good idea to think about these as well. I do on a fairly constant basis. So, first off, don't get wrapped up in other people's success. You're on YouTube, you're trying to find the best way to invest in the stock market. You're watching this video, you're watching videos about crypto, currencies, Forex, and whatever. And immediately, you're given video after video of people who are making huge money using their own special system to make money. Spend any amount of time in this rabbit hole, and YouTube is going to fill your feed on a daily basis. Congratulations. Your algorithm has now been corrupted. The problem here is that most beginners see these videos and they want to be like those people. They want to have flashy cars. They want to be flush with cash. They want to have no worry in the world. What they don't realize is that most of these people have already maybe have been doing this for a long time and already had money, or maybe they just got lucky. And guess what? If you think you're going to get lucky, the odds are completely against you. Just like my videos, you should take them all with a grain of salt. Can you learn something to improve your trading? Sure you can. I hope you do. I do. I'm still watching videos to learn and grow. Just know that you don't need to be like them. Take what you need, learn those great tidbits, and make yourself a better investor, and you will succeed. Just don't succumb to the hype. And that leads us to the next one. Fight FOMO. We all know this. Watching those videos will give you the desire and force bad decisions upon you to invest now. If you don't invest now, you're going to miss out. Pile all your money into the stock of the day, and tomorrow you're going to be sitting on zero. Fear of missing out is the biggest monster that all investors face. I've been doing this for quite a while, and I am still fighting it. Just because a video in the rabbit hole tells you you're going to make $1 billion tomorrow by investing $1.50 doesn't mean it's actually going to happen. One thing you need to know about the market is that the market is always going to be there. There are always going to be opportunities. Let the market come to you. Become a student of the market. You'll see those opportunities as they come up, and then you'll be able to jump in. Have patience. Then you'll have some great successes. You'll have some little successes. But you know what? Those successes are going to snowball over time. You're not going to get rich tomorrow. And that takes us to our third one. Investing is a long-term commitment. Keep that in mind. If you're younger than me, which most of you probably are, the most valuable investment tool that you have right now in the universe is time. By making small, digestible additions to your portfolio on a consistent basis will grow that pile over time. You should know that the lottery is not a retirement plan. Investing $5 per scratch off ticket every week on Thursday or Friday or whatever day, it may be consistent, but it's not going to make you any money. It's not going to make you rich. Over time, all you're going to do is have a pile of paper that's only worth starting a fire. It's been proven time and time again that just investing on a consistent basis into the S&P 500 over the long term will grow your money. Make a plan that has you adding money to your account and stick to it. And don't compare yourself to all those other people who say what they have. This is not about them. This is about you. When you look at my portfolio on Blossom, again, link in the description, you'll see at the time of this recording, it's about $25,000. Not much. Smaller than most and bigger than some, but it's mine. It's only there because I've been able to take assets that I've gained over time to build this. If you're new to this, know that I and everyone out here started exactly where you are. I've gained and I've lost. They've gained and they've lost. And don't let them tell you any different. At some point, with consistent, continued, and planned investing, you're going to hit a point where your money takes over. This is a marathon. And yes, it would be really cool to stop working tomorrow. And sometimes I wish I could, though I know I can't. I've got bills to pay. I've got mouths to feed. I must survive. With time, my portfolio is growing, and I can almost guarantee you, because I'm not a financial planner, I can almost guarantee you that yours will also. So let's wrap this up. Don't get sucked in by the hype. Don't get locked into the YouTube rabbit hole. Do your own research. Be smart with your money. This is for you. Second, don't let the FOMO monster kick your butt, because he will. And he's going to. Accept it. Don't lose all your money. Learn the market and let the market come to you. And also, let time work for you. Be consistent and deliberate in adding to your portfolio. And over time, you're going to find that you're going to have all the money that you need to have an absolutely awesome life. Have a great day.